Hello, good evening, all of you. I am Steven Justice, and this is my fourth experiment upon set operations and joins. As you all know, set operators are of different types: union, union all, intersect, and minus. First of all, union. It is used to select multiple queries which are joined using union operators, and it removes all the duplicates in a sorted order and ignores all the null values. Union all. It has a slight difference using union, but a union does not union all gives the results without removing duplication and sorting the data. Intersection. Using intersection operation, uh, it displays the common rows between the select statements with no duplicates and the data arranged in the ascending order. Minus. Minus operator displays the rows which are present in the first query but absent in the second, with no duplicates and data also arranged in the ascending order. So according to the question, our first question was display the product that was ordered and delivered using a union. So according to the syntax, we have a select, that means product ID. Product ID is a this thing topic from an order line table. Using union, we are combining these both and selecting product ID from the supplier. Now, as you can see, the product ID has been displayed. There is no repetition and no redundant values. The second question is display the details of the product that are yet to be delivered. That is minus. So according to the syntax, we have select product ID from order line, then minus. This is the table column name, and then you are using a minus operation and minusing product ID from supplier. So it eliminates all the common and gives the different non-repeated answer. Then you have a third one, list the names of the customers who has placed an order after 10th. So now you select customer name that order from the customer C and order O, where customer ID equals to order customer ID and order customer date is less than 10 October 14. Now all the dates which are less than the 10 October are displayed here, and the fourth one is display the details of the products that are delivered within 10 days. So now the set product ID is used, and it's used from product where product finish is less than or equal to 10. So when you type this command, you will have a finished product which is less than or equal to 10 days. So you have these two. Now the fifth one is display the details of the customers who have received their ordered product. So you're naming customer.name as co.order. Now ordered quantity s from s.sid from customer C. You're naming it the customer table as C, order as O, order line as OD, and supplier as S. So now you are comparing C.customer ID, that is customer ID inside table customer, and customer ID is equal to customer ID inside order table, then ordered quantity order ID inside order table that is you are comparing with order one table, that is order ID in order one table, and then at last you are comparing the ordered quantity with the product ID of order quantity with the product ID of the supplier. So when you compare these all, you get a table as such. So you have a equal to, that is same, and you are given the SID, quantity, and order ID. Now display the details of the product whose quantity is greater than 10. In order to know the quantity greater than 10, we have to link it with some ordered quantity inside the ordered quantity table. So the syntax is select product P from product, that is P product is name as P, product ID is taken from the table product, then ordered quantity is taken from the ordered quantity table, and then it is compared with product ID of the product table and product ID of the order table, and the ordered then at last it is compared with ordered quantity of the order table should be greater than 10. So after doing that, you get a display as such. Then is um, display the details of the order ID and ordered date and the customer name of the inner join. Then you have to select the customer name from the table customer, order ID from order table, order date from the order table, and then use an inner join to display the to compare the inner join order one table on customer ID of the customer and customer ID of the ordered one. So when you write it, you get these things. The next one is display the details of all the products that has been ordered and also the details of the delivered product. You have to use left outer join. So now if you're using a left outer join, that means the select product ID is taken from the product table, and the order ID is taken from the order line table, and from the product left join underline on the product ID of the product table and the product ID of the order table. So you get product ID and order ID of the both tables. Display the details of all the customer as well as the order details. Now you can use the select command and use the customer name from the customer table, customer ID from the customer table, order ID from the order table, and from the customer full outer join of order 1 on customer ID of the customer and customer ID from the order 1. So you get a big table displaying all the details of customer ID and order ID. Last one is to display the details of the supplier who have supplied office desk. So the office desk has to be mentioned in the query you have typed. Now SID is of the supplier, S name is from the supplier, S product is from supplier, where S product ID of supplier should be equal to the product ID of the product table, and the product description should be equal to office desk. When you type it, you don't have it, so there is no rows selected. Thank you for the video. I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you.